I'm so excited talaga. Ang hirap niya kunin. So, hindi ko na siya kukunin. Ang daming mag-o-offer nito for like 4,000, 5,000. Hey guys! What's up? It's Rina and welcome back to my channel! For today's video, it's an exciting one kasi oh my god, we'll be doing an unboxing. Oh my god, sobrang tagal na nung BTS unboxing ko. Before that, alam ko I'm a bit glam today kasi I just filmed a video before this. So, you know, hitting two birds with one stone. So, hindi na ako nagpalit ng makeup and ng outfit. Pero, nonetheless, we're here for this one. So, oh my god, I'm so excited! Grabe yung kilig ko. Ayun nga, sabi ko, this year na lang ulit ako magko-collect ng past DVDs kasi last year medyo may pinag-iipunan ako kaya sabi ko, okay, calm down, iba muna, next year na yan. Last year kasi nakapag-pre-order ako ng Now 3. Oh my god, this is an unboxing of Now 3. Sobrang kinikilig ako. So, ayun, I got this at Bangtan Hearts. So, lahat ng mga dating DVDs kay Bangtan Hearts ko, kinukuha kasi, first of all, yung pricing nila is hindi malala. So, alam nyo yun, Now 3, ang daming mag-o-offer nito for like 4,000, 5,000 kasi it's considered rare. Pero, ayun, Bangtan Hearts is so nice. She's so nice. She's an angel sent. Grabe. This is an unboxing of Now 3 in Chicago. Before we begin with our unboxing video, don't forget to click the like button down below if you're interested with this content. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and the bell notification beside it for you to be notified whenever I upload again. So without further ado, let's start this unboxing video na kasi I'm so excited na. We have a lot of freebies. Ayan. Meron siyang ganito. Cute. We have Taeyong freebie and then another Taeyong freebie, Young Forever. And we have this stickers. Last, we have feel ko sticker din to. So, we have Jungkook stickers. Ito yung mismong item and I'm so excited talaga. Not that this is related to Bangtan Hearts, pero sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga shops na talagang sinesecure nila ng mabuti yung mga items. Like, hindi nanghihingi ng extra cost and stuff. Like, itong mga bubble wraps and stuff. Hindi sila nanghihingi ng extra cost sa pagpapak ng maayos. Grabe, sobrang appreciated ko sila. Oh, kita ko na siya! Ah! So kilig! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hindi ko matagay kilig. Anyway, ayan. So, we have Now 3 BTS in Chicago. Nakalimutan ko kung sino yung kinuha kong PC dito. It's either Namtejin or Soap. We'll find out. Ayan. Oh my god! So, we have... Okay. I don't know what this is, pero ito muna kasi ito yung malaki. I think this is the photo book. Hindi halatang ano siya, unsealed by the way. I got the Soap photo cards. Ay, so kilig. And tada! I have the OT7 photo. And then, meron pa ba? Meron pa bang nasa loob? Wala na. And I think, photo book to. Yes. So, ayan. Photo book. Ito. And, oh, I love it. sa pinakalikod is merong CD. Yung CD ng Now 3. Ang hirap niya kunin. So, hindi ko na siya kukunin. Pero ayun, meron siyang CD sa pinakalikod. And then, that's it. Grabe, sobrang na-obsess ako sa mga photobooks talaga. Kahit na anong photobook yan, basta photobook. I love photobooks talaga akong BTS. So, ayun, I'm so happy talaga. And then, itong maliit, itong parang booklet. This is Neverland book. So, ano ba to? So just extra photos. Sobrang quick, I know, pero grabe, sobrang worth it ng mga to. By the way, I got this Now 3 for only 2,350 pesos, which is sobrang steal for me kasi yun nga, ang daming ibang sellers na sobrang mahal na ibenta to kasi considered na to as rare eh. And yung iba talaga, actually mas mahal. Like yung Now 2 and Now 1, mas mahal siya. I think aabot na siya sa 7K, 8K. Ganun na siya ka-rare. So, yung mga 2014 stuff and 2015, yun yung mga parang nasa pricier range and I'm preparing myself for that kasi gusto ko na rin kunin yung memories of 2015 para matapos na yung pang-collect ko. Anyway, grabe, sobrang bilis lang nito. Well, magpapatagal siguro yung photobook preview, but nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Leave me a comment down below kung meron ka rin ba tong Now 3. Kailan mo siya nakuha? Recently lang ba? Or matagal na? Kanino mo nabili? Magkano bili mo? And do you like the photobook? Ano rin yung nakuha mong PC? So, let me know. Let's discuss it in the comment section down below. I love interacting with armies talaga. Sobrang I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!